As the iconic Bugatti Chiron nears the end of its production cycle, the renowned French automaker is gearing up to unveil its next hypercar, which promises to continue the legacy of exceptional engineering and performance that has defined Bugatti for over a century. Hey guys, welcome back to my CWJ Autos YouTube channel. Known for its commitment to quality over quantity, Bugatti has established itself as a leader in the hypercar world, producing a limited number of extraordinary models that are as much works of art as they are engineering marvels. Historic models such as the Type 35 and the groundbreaking Veyron set the stage for the brand's modern-day hypercars, including the Chiron series and the ultra-exclusive limited production models like the Bolide and Mistral. With its Chiron nearing the end of its run, Bugatti is poised to step into a new chapter, and its forthcoming successor has already begun to capture the attention of enthusiasts around the globe. Recently, the first glimpses of Bugatti's next-generation hypercar were revealed through spy shots taken outside the Bugatti Rimac headquarters in Molsheim, France. The images, though heavily camouflaged, generated significant excitement, offering only a shadow of what's to come. These early glimpses come after months of anticipation and speculation regarding Bugatti's future direction. The announcement that the Chiron's successor would be a hybrid model, complete with a hybrid V16 powertrain, has only added to the intrigue. While the automotive industry is currently focused on the rise of battery electric vehicles and plug-in hybrids, Bugatti is taking a bold approach, unafraid to challenge trends and push the boundaries of what's possible. The new hypercar will be powered by a hybrid V16 engine, a groundbreaking powertrain that promises to redefine the limits of performance. Bugatti confirmed this development in a 26-second teaser video, which showcased the new powertrain in action, shifting through the gears with remarkable precision. The video offered a tantalizing preview, leaving fans eagerly awaiting more details about this revolutionary vehicle. Bugatti's statement about the new hypercar highlights the company's ongoing commitment to excellence, stating, "With each generation of its hypersports car, Bugatti has shifted the benchmark of design, engineering, performance, and craftsmanship to new heights." This statement emphasizes the brand's dedication to pushing the limits of innovation with every new model, and with the Chiron's successor, Bugatti aims to set a new benchmark for the hypercar industry. As the company prepares to reveal the first page of this new chapter, the anticipation is palpable. The official debut is scheduled for June 20th at Molsheim, marking the beginning of an exciting new era for Bugatti. While much of the hypercar's exterior and interior details remain under wraps, one thing is clear: the 2025 Chiron successor will be a truly groundbreaking vehicle. The latest teaser confirmed that the car will feature a state-of-the-art 8.3-liter quad-turbocharged V16 engine, which will be assisted by 3 electric motors, further elevating its performance capabilities. This hybrid powertrain will offer a level of performance that combines the raw power of a traditional internal combustion engine with the precision and efficiency of electric motors. The synergy between these two power sources is expected to create a hypercar that not only pushes the boundaries of speed, but also sets new standards for hybrid performance. In addition to the new powertrain, Bugatti's engineers have undoubtedly been hard at work refining every aspect of the car's design, performance, and luxury features. While specific details about the car's exterior and interior enhancements are yet to be revealed, Bugatti is known for its attention to detail, ensuring that every aspect of the vehicle will exude the same level of craftsmanship and sophistication that fans have come to expect from the brand. For those interested in acquiring one of these future masterpieces, it's worth noting that the Mistral Roadster, a recent limited production model priced at $5 million, has already sold out, with all 99 units snapped up since 2022. This only adds to the sense of exclusivity and excitement surrounding Bugatti's upcoming hypercar. As the company continues to innovate and evolve, the Chiron successor promises to be a true milestone in Bugatti's illustrious history. With the official unveiling just months away, the buzz surrounding Bugatti's new hypercar is only growing stronger. As the Chiron's legacy draws to a close, the future of Bugatti looks brighter than ever, with a hybrid-powered hypercar that is sure to captivate automotive enthusiasts around the world. Whether it's the extraordinary performance, the groundbreaking hybrid technology, or the unmistakable Bugatti design, this new model is poised to continue the brand's tradition of excellence and set a new standard in the hypercar world.